One of the most obvious safety concerns in the laboratory is the potential contamination from a variety of parasites and pathogens, which are disease-causing bacteria or viruses. Potentially disease-causing laboratory samples can be safely handled if proper precautions are taken. Every sample of blood, urine, feces, tissue, and fluid sample from an animal should be treated as a potential hazard. Bacteria and fungal cultures are also potential hazards common to the laboratory area. The following tips will dramatically reduce the risks associated with the handling of these many agents. When handling these potentially dangerous specimens, remember to wear protective gloves and other personal protective equipment recommended by the manufacturer. When gloves are not worn, thoroughly wash your hands with an antibacterial soap. Do not eat or drink in the laboratory area. Either through contaminated food or contaminated hands, eating in the lab should never take place. This should also include not storing food or drinks in the same refrigerator as is used for storing laboratory samples. Goggles or protective eyewear should be worn to protect your eyes from the splashing of hazardous material. Though many samples can be disposed of in conventional trash bags, specimens that are known to be contaminated with pathogens that humans are susceptible to should only be disposed of in a biohazardous waste bag. When handling chemicals that emit a hazardous vapor or gas, do so under a ventilation hood. Needles and other sharp objects used in the laboratory must also be handled and disposed of in a safe manner. It is important to always use the sharps container provided and to never recap a needle. The improper use of a centrifuge can also be a source of injury. Injuries can easily occur by trying to stop the equipment with your fingers or other foreign objects. Use the protective lids or shield provided with this equipment. It is important to remember that glass specimen holders can break during the spinning process. Broken glass turning at fast speeds can also cause serious injury. As with all of the other areas of the veterinary hospital, practice prevention and the laboratory becomes a very safe and enjoyable place to work.